Hola, hola, Senorita Christopher here, coming to you with another exciting lesson about los números. Today, I'm going to show you some memory tactics of how to remember your numbers 0 through 100 using a pattern. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you know your numbers 1 through 10 in Spanish, you can pretty much figure out all the other numbers by looking at the pattern. 1 and 2 in Spanish, uno y dos, are unique numbers. They don't really have other numbers that are similar to it. But once we get to the numbers 3 through 8, they have some similarities to the numbers 30 through 80. All right, so let's look even further. The number 3 in Spanish is tres. It has the prefix T-R-E. The number 30 in Spanish is treinta. It also has the prefix T-R-E. By looking at the prefix of both numbers, and we can determine a pattern. So if I know that 3 is tres, then I know that 30 is treinta. Again, this is just another way to identify what the number means in English. So you might be given the number in Spanish and you're like, I can't remember what it means in English, but if you know your numbers 1 through 10, you can figure out the other numbers. Here's another example. 4 in Spanish is cuatro. It has the prefix C-U-A. 40 in Spanish is cuarenta. It also has the prefix C-U-A. So if you know that 4 is cuatro, then you can remember that cuarenta is 40. Here's another pattern. Cincuenta. Cincuenta. Cinco. Cinco. It almost has cinco in it so that you know that it's 50. The same goes for 60, 70, and 80. So don't stress about trying to remember all of these numbers and how am I ever going to remember the numbers 0 through 100. It's going to take forever. Just look at the pattern. It's way easier. Trust me. Now, some other unique numbers that don't really have a number that's exactly like it is nueve y diez. Because 90 is noventa. Now, the tendency to think once you see the other pattern is that it will be noventa or something like that, but it's not. It's just noventa. So just remember that 90 is unique and that it's going to be noventa. And cien is also a unique number. So really, you just have to remember your numbers 1 through 10, and then you can recognize the pattern for the rest. And then there's also 90 and 100, which is noventa y cien. All right, that's just something that I used to help me learn my numbers when I was taking Spanish classes. Hopefully it helps you. If not, just find your own technique to help you remember the numbers. You can do good old-fashioned flashcards or maybe just staring at the numbers until you remember it. But I think that my technique is pretty nifty, so hopefully it helps you. That's all that I have for now. Until next time, if you like this video, go ahead and press like, and you can even share it with your friends. Maybe they might be able to use it too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notifications of future videos. All right, that's all that I have for now, guys. Bye.